Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Atifa's father is 4 times as old as Atifa. After 14 years, her father will be 2 times as old as her. What is Atifa's age now? So let's see. Let Atifa's age be X years. So her father's age is 4 times as much as hers. Therefore, her father's age will be 4x years according to the given question. Now after 14 years, both their ages will be added to 14. So x plus 14. After 14 years, Atifa's age will be x plus 14 years, and therefore her father's age will be her father's age will be 4x plus 14 years. According to the question, her father will be 2 times as old as Atifa after 14 years. So these modified ages are related to each other this way. 4x plus 14 is equal to twice that of x plus 14. This is given in question. So we solve for x with this simple equation. So we have 4x plus 14 equal to 2x plus 28. So we have 4x minus 2x equal to 28 minus 14, which is equal to 2x equal to 7. No, 2x equal to 14. So we get x equal to 7 years. Therefore, Atifa's present age is Atifa's present age is 7 years. Answer is option D.